Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer World. This is a general reading for Cancerians for the month of March 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of March. Let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Cancerians, so this is your energy for the month, the Hermit. This shows that you will be in your shell for the month. You will be thinking for better. You will be thinking so that you can take good decisions in your life, and after this whole process of thinking, you will come out as a very wise person and take better decisions for life. Life will be able to solve a lot of issues, problems. Right now, you for this month you will be in a phase where you feel a lot of darkness around you, but still you have some light, some hope, and you will be working through that light. So first week cards are Ten of Cups reverse, the Moon, the World. I see here that you are really concerned about your family, and someone, I think either in the family or outside the family, is trying to create a lot of nuisance in the life. Constant arguments, constant fights, constant, irritation, that person is causing you. And I can also see that they are not. Being fair, or some kind of a thing which is hidden, some kind of an energy which is still not revealed, and because of that you feel a little trapped. You don't know what to do, how to go about it, and that kind of a things I see in the first week of March. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. Second week cards are Nine of Cups, Page of Wands reversed, and Eight of Cups. So here I see you have a lot to give, and you give a lot to other people. You try to show your care, affection, love to other people, and because of your presence people are very happy, and you're a very mature and a wise person. But somewhat deep down you are not happy. There is a sense of discontentment. You feel that you don't belong here, or you just want to leave everything and go away and start a new path, a new chapter of your life. So that kind of a feeling can be there. But for others, others might see you as a happy person, but deep down you are not that happy. That kind of a thing I see here. And moving towards the third week, cards are Lovers reverse, Six of Pentacles, and Strength card. So again, I think here you will be working on yourself, because I think somewhat this is a time when you will accept that you cannot accept a lot from other people, and you can't expect them to give you what you have done for them, or more than that, or even that much, because somewhat that thing doesn't help. You always go into disappointment when you give a lot to people and you do not get the same thing back, and especially from the loved ones. Especially could be your partner, could be your husband or a boyfriend, or someone else who for whom you have done a lot. But unfortunately, when it comes for their support, like the situation comes when they have to support you, you don't get any kind of support. So I think by this time somewhat you have realized it, and you will feel that this is how things are going to be, and this is how I think somewhat this you have made that your strength, that okay, this is an unconditional love or unconditional thing that I can do for my partner. Let's not expect anything back, because if I will expect anything bad back, I am going to feel hurtful. So I think this is what you will feel, and you will still keep doing good to other people. And for the fourth week, cards are the Hierophant, Six of Swords reversed, and Five of Cups. This shows that I feel a long term commitment here. It could be a marriage for some of you. It could be some maybe a job. It could also be some kind of a course or some kind of a studies that you were planning to do. So you are a little discontent with these things. You are a little dissatisfied with this long term relationship. If it is a marriage, you want to go back, you want to restart certain things. You might feel that, where you have come till now, you might have a feeling of loss, that things could have been better, and emotionally, you don't have anything to cherish, you don't have anything to remember, you don't have anything to make feel happy about. Though there are few things, but those things are so less that you don't give attention to those happy moments. Rather, you give attention more towards the things that have made you like feel that the other person doesn't have the same emotions for you. Also, you want to go back, you want to restart the journey. Maybe you will feel like doing something from the scratch, so that it can be a better relationship again. So this kind of energy I see here. That's about it, Cancerians. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write to us in the comment box. And for the personalized or the general readings, you can follow us on Instagram. And for the daily readings, also, you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. Links are given in the description box. That's about it. Good luck.